driving, transportation, and logistics will experience dramatic changes. Many respondents predicted that self-driving cars will enter the ordinary landscape in a meaningful way within the next decade. Howard Rheingold, a pioneering internet sociologist and self-employed writer, consultant, and educator, expressed his belief that this can only be for the best. I, for one, welcome our self-driving automobile overlords. How could they possibly do a worse job than the selfish, drugged, drunk, and distracted humans who have turned our roads into bloodbaths for decades? A self-employed programmer and web developer offered similar thoughts. We might wonder how we accepted so many car accidents in 2013 and wonder why we even bothered to perform the necessary but menial task of, say, parking. Other respondents imagined a future with many more driverless cars, but many fewer truck drivers, delivery people, and taxi operators. Dana Boyd, a research scientist for Microsoft, responded, "There will be a lot more automation, but much of it will be as invisible as it is now. So in that sense, yes, it will be part of the ordinary landscape. The biggest change will be to the movement of atoms, food, consumer goods, etc. The majority of the disruption will be at the blue-collar level. And I suspect that the biggest impact will be in warehouses or fulfillment centers." Tom Standage, digital editor for The Economist, wrote, "Self-driving vehicles promise to upend existing approaches to car ownership, car design, car sales and insurance, urban planning, logistics, deliveries, taxi services, etc. That will be a big change, as significant as the advent of smartphones." And Linda Rogers, the founder of Music Island in Second Life and grant writer for Arts for Children and Youth in Toronto, concurred, "We already see it in grocery scanners, bank machines, and can extrapolate from there as automated parking lots. Add robotic valet service, subway lines no longer require drivers, and garbage pickup services are robot-controlled." Other respondents envision a wide range of impacts that might arise from the driverless car revolution, from the economic to the cultural. Andrew Renz, chief counsel at the Shuttleworth Foundation, wrote, "AI and robotics will change the way that Western society thinks about cars. Once control over driving passes to software, the romance of cars will diminish. There will be far less cachet in owning large and powerful cars, since the riding rather than driving experience will be indistinguishable." Robert Bell of Intelligent Comedy.org responded, "Technology will continue to make things better, faster, cheaper, and safer. The impact of self-driving cars alone will be immense in terms of reduced traffic congestion, lower costs for insurance and transport, and driver safety."